All right, so I also want to give you guys a little more practice with product and quotient rule. You've seen it, but just quick reminders of it, and we're going to look at that with our trig functions. So the product rule, as you can see here, this is more of the formal notation, but remember the product rule is we take the left function, we multiply it by the derivative of the right, plus the right function times the derivative of the left. So left d right plus right d left. Then with our quotient rule, we have our lower function and our high function. So we have the low function times the derivative of high minus high times the derivative of low over the low function being squared, or low d high minus high d low over low squared. So we're going to take a look at two quick examples and have those trig derivatives in there for some extra practice. So for our first guy here, we have we want to find the derivative of f of t is equal to t squared times cosine t. So we have the product of two functions, so we're going to have to use our product rule. So if I want to find the derivative of f, it's going to be f prime of t is equal to the left function, which is my t squared, so left t squared, times the derivative of my right function. So I have my left and my right. Derivative of cosine t is negative sine t. There's no, it's just t, so I don't have to multiply it by the derivative of t, which is just 1, plus the right function, cosine of t, we leave it alone this time, times the derivative of the left, so times 2t. So if we want to rewrite this a little bit, we can. We have f prime of t is equal to negative t squared sine of t, just rewriting this, plus 2t cosine of t. All right, so that's our derivative using our product rule. Let's take a look at an example with our quotient rule. So example 2 here, we want to find the derivative of h of x, which is equal to the sine of x over x squared. So in this case, we have our low function and our high function. So to find the derivative, we wanted to find low, which is x squared, times the derivative of high. So the derivative of sine x is just cosine x, minus high, which is sine of x, the high function, sine of x, times the d low, right? Low d high minus high d low. So times 2x all over our low function being squared. So we're going to have x squared squared. Right, so just like the others, we could leave it in this form. You guys could reduce it. You guys could simplify it a little bit more.